Guys, my name's Liv and today I'm going to be filming this glowy bronzy makeup look for you guys. So if you're interested in how to get this look, just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Hangover Primer and I'm going to be putting that all over my face. Thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking the Pretty Cheeky Natural Glow from Sports Girl. This is just like a stick highlighter and I use it on tips of my cheeks and my nose to just add a bit of glow before I put on my foundation. Taking a wet beauty blender and I'm just going to kind of lightly blend it in so that it is not as glowy as that. Now I'm going to be taking the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC20 and I'm going to be putting that all over my face using a beauty blender. So the next thing I do after I've done my foundation is I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal True Match concealer in the shade 2 Vanilla and I'm going to be putting this under my eyes and on my lids to act as a base for our eyeshadow. Once everything's blended in, I'm just going to take some of the Laura Mercier translucent powder and I'm just going to put that under my eyes and pretty much wherever I put concealer and in my T-zone where I get a bit oilier. So I'm just going to use a beauty blender to do that. I just find that the beauty blender packs on the powder a bit better than a brush does. I find that when I use a brush, it kind of sometimes can sit just on the skin and not actually, you know, blend in and it looks a bit more cakey. And I also put a little bit where I'm going to be bronzing later on. So I just use this little brush here to do that. And obviously I'm going to set the eyes. So to set my eyes, I just use this big fluffy kind of brush to set them. So continuing on with the eye look, I'm just going to be using this palette here from BH Cosmetics. This is the Neutral Eyes palette. So the first shade I'm going to be taking today is this one just here. It's just a matte like transition shade. So I'm just going to take that and blend that one up through the crease area. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is taking this smaller blending brush and I'm going to be taking this darker shade just here and I'm going to be packing that into the outer corner of my eye. So now that that's done, I'm going to actually be taking a concealer brush, and I find these really useful when you're packing on shadows onto the lid. So I'm going to be taking this shimmery shade, just this one here, and I'm going to be packing that pretty much on the inner half of my lid. So now that I'm done with the lids, I'm gonna take that first shade that I used, just this one here, and I'm gonna just drag it under my eye a little bit just to add a little bit of dimension. Now I'm going to finish up the rest of the face. The first thing I'm going to be taking is the Too Faced bronzer in the Chocolate Soleil bronzer in medium deep. And I'm just going to be using this to bronze and contour my face. So I'm going to put it just under my cheekbones there. Around my temples and forehead, and a little bit under my chin to blend all the foundation with the rest of my neck and body. And then the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my Sports Girl on the Glow palette. This has the most beautiful highlighters. Oh my gosh, just look at them. Like, that is so stunning. And I'm going to be taking the gold, this gold one just here. Taking this little flat brush, and I'm going to be using this same color to highlight my inner corners. So we're almost finished. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do my brows. I'm just using the ColourPop. This is their brow pencil in the shade, I think it's Chocolate Bangin' Brunette. And I'm just going to be using this to fill in the ends of my brows. So I'll just show you how I do that.
So I just kind of start like towards the middle of the brow. I leave this bit to do with the powder, but I just kind of outline the shape that I want for my brows first of all. I do need to get them like threaded, I know, they're really bad. But I just take that and kind of create an outline on the edges of my brows, and then I kind of fill it in a little bit. Probably isn't the best because I'm not that close up to the mirror, but you kind of get a rough idea. See, I'm just filling them in now. Oh no!
Can you focus? Okay. So that was nice. My camera just died. So while that was charging, I finished the outside parts of my eyebrows, and I'm going to show you how I do the powdered bit now. So
take the Sephora Brow Powder Duo. It comes with wax. I don't really use it. I used to use it, but not anymore. And I use the shade here. It's just like a taupey brown. Comes a bit warm on the actual brows though. So then I just kind of go in and just do the insides with the powder and blend it into the pencil bit. And I just do the same on the other eye. I started by creating a line underneath to where I want to form them, and then I just finish filling them in. And that's how I fill it in my brows pretty much. I don't like fix them up with concealer or anything like that. I just do that.
So we are almost done. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go and curl my lashes, and then I'm going to come back and show you how I do my mascara. So the mascara that I use is the Perversion Mascara by Urban Decay. This looks like this.
Give this video a thumbs up if you watch Bella Fiore and she like put you onto this mascara. She used to talk about this all the time in her videos, and now she doesn't talk about it anymore. And I literally, went out, bought this mascara. The next video she's like, I actually found a new mascara that's my absolute fave. And I was like, are you kidding me? I just went out and spent like $30 on this mascara, and now you're telling me you don't even use it anymore. It's like, dead. Anyway.
I just put this all over my lashes and just like, yeah. And then I just, once I've done my top lashes, just put it on the bottom ones as well. So the final step today is lipstick. The lipstick I'm going to be using today is MAC's Velvet Teddy. It is my absolute favorite lipstick ever. It goes with literally any look. I love this lipstick so much. It's so gorgeous. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a massive thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It meant a lot to me. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.